See, I do not know what is the definition of the meeting. I have came to Delhi for participating in the CWC meeting because I am happen to be a member of CWC. Meanwhile, you know that Bengal has been suffering from various kind of problems. Out of that, one problems of laborers, migrant laborers are very much acute in Bengal. You know, Bengal has been turned into a hub of migrant workers in India. Lakhs of migrant workers used to migrate, compelled to migrate to other states in India for eking out their livelihoods. While staying in those states, now they are being subjected of various kind of violence, torture, persecution, discrimination. And recently, a few days back, a harrowing incident took place in Odisha, where one migrant laborer from my district, Murshidabad, Jewel Sheikh, had been bludgeoned to death, had been beaten to death. The only offense that he used to speak in Bengali, and also he is happened to be a Muslim. And that is why he was beaten to death. So I flagged the attention of Prime Minister of India that those migrant laborers, for years they are working outside Bengal. But now, at a regular interval, this kind of untoward incident, including violence, hate, abuse, discrimination, persecutions, are taking place. So being a Prime Minister of India, you should look after it, because the reason I have specifically clarified that the BJP ruled states, those victims of Bengal, those are called migrant laborers, they are being subjected to this kind of discrimination and violence precisely in BJP ruled states. The administration of concerned states, they don't understand the difference between Bangladeshi and Bangla-Bhashi. They fail to differentiate who is Bangladeshi and who is Bangla-Bhashi. So better all the state government across in our country, they should be sensitized on this issue. They should be sensitized for the poor plight of migrants, and all should try to address this issue, because in Bengal it has become a burning issue right now.
So, any assurance given by the Prime Minister?
Yes, as usual, I have flagged his attention, and he told me, yes, I will be looking after it.
But Home Minister himself is saying that there are so many infiltrators.
So that is different. Infiltrators is different. Migrant laborers is different. It is the duty of Home Ministry to find out the infiltrators and send back to their destination. Who has prevented them? For years we are been told that infiltrators have captured Indian various parts of India, etc., etc. Crores of infiltrators have been invading the country. But where are those infiltrators? That I don't know. Where are those infiltrators? Where are they settled? Whether all those infiltrators have been identified, deported? I don't know. It is simply, due to the election campaign, they thought it prudent to raise this issue. But later on, everything will be died down.
Mathua community issue you raised because SIR in the SIR process.
Sir, Mathua community, I do not know whether BJP party treats Mathuas as infiltrators. So far, I know that they have been subjected to various kind of religious persecution in Bangladesh and forced to migrate, in India. And over the years, they have been voting either BJP or TMC. But now when SR exercise has been continuing on, they are being felt that their names may be deleted. So they are living in a great consternation, in a great apprehension. So it is incumbent upon the government to look after this issue, because all are those persecuted Bangladesh people, belonging to Dalit Samuday and Hindu community.